Welcome to the Rusted Garden Homestead. Today I'm going to show you how to pack your seed cells with starting mix for all seeds, and I'm going to show you how to plant tomato seeds. You can use any size cell. The bigger the cell means you're just going to have to pot up less, so the plants can grow longer in here because they're larger. This is the standard 6 cell that you find in most stores, so we'll start with that. This is a dry starting mix. You want to make sure you start with a moist starting mix, so check out my other 60-second or so videos. It shows you how to use hot water to kill off problems in your seed starting mix. So I'm just going to mix that in there real quick. When you're filling your seed starting cells, give them a quick fill. That's too loose. You want this to be nice and dense so a great root system forms in there. Press it down with your thumb. You can't really overpack the seed starting mix, and you want to make sure there's great contact right down there at the bottom because that's where water is going to be absorbed. And then you drop in another layer, and that is the perfect seed starting base for all seeds you might want to start indoors. You would also do this if you're starting outside and it's warm enough. If you're going to start tomatoes, you want to start them about 6 or 8 weeks before they would go outside. They want warm nights, 50-degree nights, and about 70-degree days. These are the Arkansas Travelers. You can get these at my seed shop, and you can get all these seed starting supplies I'm using. And all you do is drop 1 seed, 2 seeds, 1 in each corner, 2 per cell. You're better off starting 2 seeds in case one doesn't germinate. You're not waiting around. And when these get about an inch or so tall, you would thin to the strongest. I'm just going to do the top here. So 1 seed, press it in about 1/4 of an inch. Don't worry if you go too deep or too shallow. I've done experiments where I've actually just planted them at all levels and they all come up. But about 1/4 of an inch, and then just press it in. They'd go into a tray, you'd bottom water, make sure this is nice and soaked through. Put them under grow light. If it's warm enough, you can put them outside and they will take care of themselves. Thanks so much for watching. Please check out my other 60-second or so videos. And don't forget to label your plant because you'll surely forget after about a week what's in there. Thanks again for watching.